Assalamualaikum and hello class. Hi. Hello Christina. Hi Fadlin. Hi Asfa, Muiz, Amirin, Afika. Hi. Okay, hello everyone. So, are you ready for today's lesson? Yes? Okay. So wait a while. I'll share the link for today's lesson in our group. Okay? Okay. So can you open the Google form given? I've shared the link in our group. Can you open that Google form? Yes? Okay, good. So if you have opened the Google form, you will see it's written English Form 1, Lesson 56, Language Awareness. Okay, so the topic is past continuous tense. So basically, today you are going to learn grammar. Okay, this is a textbook-based lesson. Okay, so you scroll down your Google form and then you look at the first part. Okay, good day to all. As for today's lesson, we are going to learn about past continuous tense. Please click the word walls link below to play the game. Okay, so there is a link given. What you need to do is you click that link and then it will direct to a word walls game. Okay, so you need to complete that game. Okay, you need to complete that game, which you need to rearrange the sentences in the correct form. Okay, the sentences are using past continuous tense. Okay, so can you do it now? Yes? Okay. So once you have completed the game, screenshot your scores and submit in our group. And also, you click show answers. Okay, click show answers and you copy all the correct sentences in your grammar book. Okay, so there are altogether 5 sentences. Okay, clear? Yes? Okay, good. So, do it now. Okay, class. Now, okay, have you gotten the 5 correct sentences? Yes, so I shared in the group as well. Okay, so now look at task 1. Look at task 1, okay, and let's discuss this together. Okay, look at the table given. Okay, you need to copy this in your grammar book, okay, after this. But first, listen to me first, okay. The first one is affirmative, which is the positive statement, okay, ayat penyata. Okay, so, I, he, she, or it was over was because singular. Okay, going for a walk. Okay, so if it is past continuous tense, we will add ing to the infinitive, to the verb. Okay, so if we, you or they, okay, there are plural, right? So if it is plural, then were. Okay, were. So were, okay, under a tree. Which one? Look at the question. Copy and complete the table with the past continuous form of read, sit and listen. Which one you think? Which word is suitable? Under a tree. Sitting under a tree. They were sitting under a tree. Okay, look at the next one. Negative. I, he, she, it was to music. Listening to music. Okay, and then no, it is negative. So was listening. How do we make it negative? Was not. So what is the short form? Wasn't. Yes, wasn't listening to music. Okay, and then look at questions. Okay, if it is questions, okay, the verb to be, was or were, need to be at the beginning of the sentence. So if it is it, was it raining? Okay, very good. So that's all. Okay, you reread the table and try to understand past continuous tense. Okay, and then look at task 2. Okay, task 2. Okay, read the table and choose the correct words to complete rules A and B. Okay, look at A. We use the past continuous to talk about, okay, which one? Actions in progress or completed actions in the past? Actions in progress. Okay, what about completed action? Okay, completed actions is also past tense, but it is simple past tense. Okay, so if it is past continuous, we talk about actions in progress in the past. Okay, and look at B. We form the past continuous with was or were plus the, which one? Infinitive or ing? Ing form of the verb. Okay, very good. So, now you look at the next one, the past continuous spelling rules. Okay, read that one. Okay, and then there are two tasks, task 3 and task 4, right? Okay, so what you need to do now is I'll give you some time for you to complete all these tasks. Okay, first you copy task 1 and task 2 in your grammar book. Okay, we have already discussed the answer. Okay, which means that you already know what is past continuous tense. Okay, reread and try to understand better. Okay, by your own. Okay, so copy task 1, task 2, and then you read past continuous spelling rules given. And then you copy task 3 and task 4 in your grammar book. Okay. Answer task 3 and task 4. Okay. After this, we shall discuss together. Right, class? Okay, alright. So, do it now. Okay, class. Shall we discuss now? Yes? Okay, look at task 3. Read the spelling rules on page 39, then write the ing form of the verbs in the box. Okay, so tell. How about tell? How do we make it in the ing form? Telling. Okay, can someone type in the group? Yes, very good. Telling with double L. Okay, just plus ing. How about do? Doing. Lie. Lying. How to spell it? Yes, very good, Lily. Lying. Get. Good, Christina. Getting with double T. Come. Coming. K. No need E. Just ing. Yes. And run. Running with double N. Okay. Very good, class. So now look at task 4. Hi, Emma. Something really strange happened to me today. I was walking home from school and suddenly lots of apples started falling out of the sky. I couldn't believe it. It was raining apples. Where were they coming from? I went home and told my mom and brother, but they said I wasn't telling the truth. However, that evening, my mom and dad were watching the news on TV and they heard the story. Nobody knows why the apples fell out of the sky, but they did. I wasn't lying. Okay, see you soon, Tom. Very good, class. So now we have come to the last task for this lesson. Okay, look at the last task. Click the word walls link below to play the maze chase game about past continuous tense. Okay, so you play the game and then it is very interesting. It is quiz about past continuous tense, but I'm sure that you're going to enjoy it. Okay, so play it and then screenshot your scores and submit in the group. Okay, there are 15 questions altogether. Okay. Okay, okay, good luck. So that's all for today's lesson. Stay positive, don't worry, okay, as we are in this together. If you have any questions you want to ask me, just feel free to do so, okay? Thank you so much for joining the class, for cooperating with me and for doing all the tasks, okay? Thank you, have a nice day everyone. Thank you class, bye. Assalamualaikum class.